Dear parents, this video is to show you how you can log into Campus Care app. Okay, so this video will be able to provide you the steps for login into Campus Care. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to go to the Google Play Store. Okay, after that you have to write it here, Campus Care. Okay, as soon as you write Campus Care without the space, okay, it will be searched like this. The logo of the Campus Care is this, and it is developed by Antab Infotech Private Limited. So what you have to do, you have to just install it. As soon as you install it, the option will come like uninstall and open option. So once you install it, so you have to open the Campus Care app. As soon as you open it, some animations will be there and it will ask you to enter the web portal URL. So here what you will have to enter, you have to enter the web portal of the Campus Care, that is smcic.campussoft.in. Please save this campus URL, or you can say please save this campus smcic.campussoft.in and write it in a paper. Okay, as soon as you install this Campus Care app, you will be get this web portal URL and you will be asked to enter it. Okay, so you have to enter this campus URL for the St. Mary's Convent Inter College. Okay, so as soon as you enter, you have to verify it. It will show you this option, that is you have chosen the St. Mary's Convent Inter College as your Watts school. Shall we continue? You have to click OK. Okay, so as soon as you got to this page, you will be asked to enter user ID and password. The user ID and password you just have got through text message. Okay, if you can see in your text message, all the parents, okay, you just have got your user ID and password. Just enter the same user ID and password. Okay, I am entering for one of the child of class prep, that is P50000. Okay, and password what I am writing here is the password provided by me in the text format. Okay, as soon as I write it the user ID and password, I will sign in. Okay, some of the parents, what you will do a mistake here, that you will not write the user ID and password in any of the books or something like there, that where you can store it in a safe place. What will happen, it is received in your text message. Okay, what will happen afterwards, that you will delete all your message, and all the phone will be formatted from your end, and then you come from to us that my user ID and password has been forgotten. Now please provide my user ID and password. Now this time school will not help you, because the the reset option for providing the user ID and password is not right now with us. Okay, so you have to store this, that is user ID and password, in a secret place. Okay, do not just you have to just keep it in a good place, so that anytime when you need it, you can take it from there. Okay, so I have just written user ID and password and just signing in. As soon as I sign it, I will be able to get my vault details in a small app. Okay, here you can do a fee payment, fee paid, exam schedule, exam report, all those things what the teacher is circulating, you can get it through in this app. Okay, now for an example, for the MS team, the user ID for the MS team will be your Watts admission number. That will be this, that is For example, here I am using an admission number 50,000. So the user ID for MS Team will be p50,000 @cjsmciclko.co.in. The procedure will be same what I have told you in couple of videos back. Okay. Okay, thank you, and please keep this user ID and password in a good and safe place. I will not help every time. Okay, you need to be a responsible person. You just have to keep this user ID and password in a safe place. Okay, thank you.